name is Ghansham. I'm your Spanish teacher. You're welcome to Superfast Spanish course for quick learners. Today we are going to learn lesson 16. So if you did not watch my previous lesson, I request you watch my previous lesson because this lesson is depend on previous lesson. So watch my previous lesson, then you watch my this lesson. So let's start today's lesson. The first word of today's lesson is to go. How you will say to go in Spanish? To go is a verb in Spanish which means ir, ir, ir. So to go means ir, ir. Next word is I go. How will you say I go? Yes, you will say yo voy, yo voy, yo voy. I go means yo voy, yo voy, yo voy. So, how will you say I can't go with you? How will you say I can't go with you? You will say yo no puedo ir contigo. Yo no puedo ir contigo. Repeat once. Yo no puedo ir contigo. I can't go with you. Yo no puedo ir contigo. Yo no puedo ir contigo. How will you say I will go to UK? I will go to UK. You will say yes. You will say yo iré a UK. Yo iré a UK. Yo iré a UK. I will go to UK. Yo iré a UK. Yo iré a UK. How will you say I will have to go to Spain in Spanish? You will say yes. You will say tendré que ir a España. Tendré que ir a España. Tendré que ir a España. I will have to go to Spain. Tendré que ir a España. Tendré que ir a España. How will you say, where would you like to go? You will say, ¿a dónde quieres ir? ¿A dónde quieres ir? Repeat once. ¿A dónde quieres ir? ¿A dónde quieres ir? Where would you like to go? ¿A dónde quieres ir? ¿A dónde quieres ir? Next sentence is I am going to the hospital. I am going to the hospital. How will you say in Spanish? You will say voy al hospital. Voy al hospital. Repeat once. Voy al hospital. I am going to the hospital. Voy al hospital. Voy al hospital. How will you say I am going with you? I am going with you. You will say yo voy contigo. Yo voy contigo. Repeat once. Yo voy contigo. I am going with you. Yo voy contigo. Yo voy contigo. Next sentence is go away. Don't touch me. How will you say in Spanish? You will say váyase, váyase, no me toque. Váyase, no me toque. Váyase, no me toque. Go away, don't touch me. Váyase, no me toque. Váyase, no me toque. How will you say who will go with you? Yes, you will say ¿Quiénes irán contigo? ¿Quiénes irán contigo? ¿Quiénes irán contigo? Who will go with you? ¿Quiénes irán contigo? ¿Quiénes irán contigo? How will you say you go? in Spanish? You will say vas, vas, vas. You go, vas, vas. So, how will you say, are you going to sleep? Are you going to sleep? Yes, you will say, vas a dormir, vas a dormir, vas a dormir. Are you going to sleep? Vas a dormir, vas a dormir. I am going to Mexico. How will you say? You will say, voy a Mexico, voy a Mexico, voy a Mexico. I am going to Mexico, voy a Mexico, voy a Mexico. How will you say, where are we going? Where are we going? You will say, ¿a dónde vamos? ¿A dónde vamos? ¿A dónde vamos? Where are we going? ¿A dónde vamos? ¿A dónde vamos? We are going to drink coffee. How will you say, we are going to drink coffee? You will say, vamos a beber café. Vamos a beber café. We are going to drink coffee. Vamos a beber café. Repeat once. Vamos a beber café. How will you say, I did not go? I did not go. You will say, yo no fui. Yo no fui. Yo no fui. I did not go. Yo no fui. Yo no fui. How will you say, can I go with her? Can I go with her? You will say, puedo ir con ella. Puedo ir con ella. Puedo ir con ella. Can I go with her? Puedo ir con ella. Puedo ir con ella. How will you say, should I go now? Should I go now? You will say, debo ir ahora. Debo ir ahora. Repeat once. Debo ir ahora. Should I go now? Debo ir ahora. Debo ir ahora. How is it going? How is it going? You will say, ¿cómo te va? ¿Cómo te va? Repeat once. ¿Cómo te va? So, how is it going? ¿Cómo te va? ¿Cómo te va? How will you say, where do you want to go? You will say, ¿a dónde quiere ir? ¿A dónde quiere ir? ¿A dónde quiere ir? So, how will you say, where do you want to go? You will say, ¿a dónde quiere ir? Repeat once, ¿a dónde quiere ir? How will you say, are you going to the party? Are you going to the party? Yes, you will say, ¿vas a ir a la fiesta? ¿Vas a ir a la fiesta? Repeat once, ¿vas a ir a la fiesta? Are you going to the party? ¿Vas a ir a la fiesta? ¿Vas a ir a la fiesta? I want to go. Yes, you will say, quiero ir, quiero ir, quiero ir. I want to go, quiero ir, quiero ir. I do not want to go. How will you say? You will say, no quiero ir, no quiero ir. I don't want to go, no quiero ir, no quiero ir. To do, to do is called hacer in Spanish. Hacer. Hacer means to do. Hacer is a verb which means to do some work. So, to do means hacer. Hacer. So, how will you say, I don't know what to do? I don't know what to do. You will say, no sé qué hacer. No sé qué hacer. Repeat once. No sé qué hacer. I don't know what to do. No sé qué hacer. No sé qué hacer. Next sentence is, what are you going to do in summer? How will you say, what are you doing? What are you going to do in summer? You will say, ¿Qué vas a hacer en verano? ¿Qué vas a hacer en verano? Repeat once. ¿Qué vas a hacer en verano? What are you going to do in summer? ¿Qué vas a hacer en verano? ¿Qué vas a hacer en verano? How will you say there is nothing to do? Yes, you will say no hay nada que hacer. No hay nada que hacer. Repeat once. No hay nada que hacer. There is nothing to do. No hay nada que hacer. No hay nada que hacer. How will you say I could not do anything? Yes, you will say no puede hacer nada. No puede hacer nada. I could not do anything. No puede hacer nada. No puede hacer nada. What do you do? What do you do? You will say ¿Qué haces? ¿Qué haces? ¿Qué haces? What do you do? ¿Qué haces? ¿Qué haces? I want to do my own business. I want to do my own business. You will say Quiero hacer mi propio negocio. Quiero hacer mi propio negocio. Repeat once. Quiero hacer mi propio negocio. I want to do my own business. Quiero hacer mi propio negocio. A chair. How will you say a chair? Chair means un silla. Un silla. So a chair is un silla in Spanish. Un silla. I need a chair. How will you say I need a chair? You will say necesito una silla. Necesito una silla. Repeat once. Necesito una silla. I need a chair. Necesito una silla. Necesito una silla. Do you know where my chair is? Yes, you will say. ¿Sabes dónde está mi silla? ¿Sabes dónde está mi silla? ¿Sabes dónde está mi silla? Do you know where my chair is? ¿Sabes dónde está mi silla? ¿Sabes dónde está mi silla? So, this is the end of the lesson 16. So, my recommendation is repeat this lesson 2 or 3 times to become a master in this lesson and give the test to judge yourself how comfortable or how much you learn by this lesson. Thank you for watching this lesson and watch my next lesson. Thank you. Gracias. Adios. If you want to learn Spanish grammar, vocabulary, verbs, then you can look my another course in which I have covered all the grammars. But if you want to learn Spanish very quickly, then watch my this course. Thank you again. Gracias. Adios.